Mineral rights versus surface rights. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between mineral rights and surface rights? This distinction is especially important in the context of oil and gas, leasing, and energy policy. Let's break it down in a straightforward way. Mineral rights refer to the ownership of underground resources like oil, gas, and minerals. If you own these rights, you have the legal authority to explore and extract these resources. This often means you can lease your mineral rights to energy companies. In return, you may receive royalty payments based on the amount of resource extracted. On the other hand, surface rights pertain to the land above ground. This includes the right to build structures, farm, or use the land in other ways. If you own surface rights, you can sell or transfer them, but you do not control the subsurface resources unless you also own the mineral rights. Sometimes, a single party owns both mineral and surface rights. This is known as a unified estate. In this case, the owner has full control over both the surface and subsurface. However, it is more common for mineral rights to be separated from surface rights, creating what is called a split estate. This situation can lead to conflicts over land use since different parties own the rights to the surface and the minerals beneath it. In the context of oil and gas leasing, this distinction becomes particularly relevant. Mineral rights holders may lease their rights to energy companies for extraction. This can lead to drilling operations on the land. However, surface owners need to be reasonably accommodated and compensated for any disruptions or damages caused by these operations. Legally, mineral rights are often considered the dominant estate. This means that mineral rights holders have the legal right to access the surface to extract resources, even if the surface owner does not agree. However, most jurisdictions requiring mineral owners to minimize disruptions and fairly compensate surface owners for any impacts. From a conservative perspective, the separation of mineral and surface rights aligns with free market principles. It allows different parties to specialize in either surface use or mineral extraction. This can lead to increased economic activity and job creation in the energy sector. It also highlights the importance of property rights and the need for clear legal frameworks to manage conflicts between mineral and surface rights holders. In practice, this perspective supports policies that protect property rights while encouraging the development of natural resources. It emphasizes the role of private ownership and market mechanisms in managing land use and resource extraction, rather than relying solely on government intervention. Understanding the differences between mineral rights and surface rights is essential for navigating the energy sector. This knowledge can help landowners and energy companies work together more effectively while promoting economic growth.